In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 simple curly hairstyles that anyone can do. Although I have got better at hairstyles over the years, I still love a simple, quick, easy hairstyle, nothing too intricate. So that is what you're going to get from this hairstyle video. So keep watching if you want some curly hairstyle inspiration. So first up is what I like to call my signature hairstyle. You will have seen me wear this hairstyle on my channel before. You've seen me wear it on Instagram, and if you've seen me in real life, I was probably wearing this hairstyle. It's one of those very simple yet very effective ones. So literally all I'm going to do is start with my hair in a center parting, and then I'm just going to section my face framing pieces off. I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So now that I've sectioned these bits off, I'm just going to take this section here and I'm going to clip these bits. Where you place the clips on your head may suit different people differently. I used to wear them sort of like down here and like push the volume up here, but now I more wear them up here. So you can really do whatever you think looks best on your hair. So I'm just taking some of these little mini claw clips and I'm just going to take this part of my hair and I'm literally just gonna clip it. That's it. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And that is literally it. But you can see that just adding that clip there has given me lift and volume to this section of my hair. And I really struggle with root volume because my hair is naturally silky and straight at the roots. So it really gives me a little bit of lift and it helps my hair stay lifted throughout the day as well. And also because my hair is wavier on these sections here, lifting helps lift the wavier roots and helps reveal like the curls at the end. So it gives my hair a bit more of a consistent curl pattern across my head just by lifting these side pieces. And I'll just show you it from the back as well. So yeah, I absolutely love this hairstyle. So quick, so simple, yet so effective. Next up is a messy bun, and I feel like I do my messy bun a little bit different to other curlies that I've seen. So if you have long hair and you struggle to create a messy bun because you have too much excess, please give this a go and let me know how it goes, because I feel like this is the perfect curly messy bun. So I'm just gonna take these clips out, but I am gonna leave some face framing pieces out because I think they look cute when you have some face framing pieces out with a bun. Because my hairline goes back quite far, I do try and get some hair that kind of covers my hairline. So I've taken my face framing pieces out and I'm just gonna bring all my hair to the top. Sometimes I do this with my head flipped forward because I find that if I have the bun sitting further forward on my head, then it actually looks better. So I'm gonna flip my head forward and show you. So I just kind of gather it all here at the front as if I'm gonna do a ponytail. I'm bringing it around once. And then if you have shorter hair, you can literally tie it into a ponytail and then follow the other steps after that. But because I have longer hair, I'm gonna twist it round and I'm gonna bring it into a bun like this. And then I have the excess, and then I'm going to take some of these clips. So I'm just gonna take this clump of hair and I'm kind of lifting it up, taking the clip and then clipping it up into the bun, and you can't even see it, but you still have like the little curls hanging out, which I think looks so cute. And then I'm gonna do the same the other side, lifting, and I'm clipping it in to the bun. And then with the front, sometimes I'll put a clip there like this and you can kind of see it, but I don't think it looks bad. Or you could put a bobby pin in there, and I'll just show you how I do it. So with the bobby pin, I literally grab the curl that's there and just push it into the bun. And then with the back, I'm gonna take a clip. You can obviously use a bobby pin as well, but I'm just gonna basically bunch any excess hair and just kind of bunch it together and then clip it into the back so it kind of looks like there's hair all the way around. And that is it. I just love this hairstyle so much. If I were wearing it out right now, I'd probably refresh these bits so they would spring up a little more, or you can pin them back as well. I would again take one of these clips and I would just pin them back like that. And this is very similar to my overnight pineapple, where I keep my front pieces separately. And you can loosen it a little bit if you feel it's too tight to your head. But yes, such a cute hairstyle, which takes me on to the next one. So for this hairstyle, we're gonna be using a satin scarf. This is a beautiful one from Curlsmith. So I'm gonna take the scarf, and this is a square scarf, and I'm gonna take one corner and I'm gonna fold it to the other corner to create a triangle, like so. I like to fold the scarf down to create sort of like a headband, I suppose. And then I'll take the scarf, put it at the back of my head, and I'll just tie it again. And then you can just tuck these pieces into the scarf. I'm just gonna pull my little curly pieces out now so they can go over the top of the scarf. If you struggle with it slipping off, like with the silk scarf slipping off, you can just take some bobby pins and just secure it in place, like wherever you find that it slips. So I'm just gonna put a bobby pin on here and one on the other side, like so. I just think this is so cute. Love it for summer, love wearing this on by the pool on holiday. And then the other way that you can do it, so you don't have really long bits that you need to tuck in, the other thing that you can do is just literally fold it over again. So you've got your triangle, and then you just fold it into another triangle. Same thing, I'm just tying the scarf at the top of my head. But because the bits are shorter, it's just gonna create more of like a bow rather than bits that you have to tuck in. So I like to wear it like that. And yeah, you can loosen your bun a little, pull some more bits out if you want to. I just think it's such a cute hairstyle. Absolutely love this one. That's hairstyle number 3. So the next hairstyle is another really quick and simple one, and you're probably gonna wonder why I'm even making a tutorial for it. But I kind of rediscovered this style recently, but I used to wear it slightly differently, and I feel like how I do it now looks much better. So how I used to wear this hairstyle was I would take the front piece and I would just clip it there, and I would wear it like this. And while that looks fine, I do feel like it looks a little bit odd around my hairline. So what I figured out recently was I kind of keep these bits out here around my face, and I go behind, sort of like around my ear, and pull it up. So I'm just keeping these pieces out here. And then I'm just gonna clip this up there, and then I'm just gonna pull some little bits out here, just kind of blend my hairline in a little. And I just feel like it sits much better. It kind of gives a bit more volume because the clip is higher. And let me show you the back. So this is it all flipped forward, and this is it all to the back. And last but definitely not least is a claw clip hairstyle. For a while I didn't really do claw clip hairstyles. I think for one, it can actually be quite hard to find a claw clip that fits all of your hair in, especially if you have long hair or thick hair. And for two, I always felt like my hair sat a little bit weirdly when I just twisted it up and stuck the claw clip in. So this style is a little bit different, and it helps the hair fall more evenly out of the claw clip. I learned this one from Amanda Guido, and yeah, I've been doing it like this ever since. So first I'm actually going to put a little bit of oil on my hair, because this does involve parting the hair, and this is just going to help add some lubrication to my hair and stop it from breaking. And if you're doing any like intricate hairstyles, like where you're going to be parting your hair and things like that, definitely apply some oil beforehand, because it really will help prevent breakage and help like detangle your hair, because curly hair always has knots. It always does. It's just a fact of life. Firstly, I'm just going to take some little face framing pieces out. And with this one, it doesn't matter as much if I only have one bit, because I'm going to be putting my hair like this, so it will cover my hairline anyway. So I'm just going to take a little face framing piece out on either side. So I'm gonna split my hair down the middle into two. And now that I've parted my hair down the middle, I'm actually gonna twist each section individually, clip it up, put them together, and then clip them with the claw clip. And then this is really going to help the hair fall either side of the claw clip as opposed to falling to one side or just falling down the back. And here it is at the front. I just think it looks so cute, and I love having the little front pieces out. The claw clip is from Accessorize. It's an extra large one from Accessorize, I believe. It fits all of my hair in quite comfortably, but I'm not sure if you have much thicker, curlier hair than me, then you may need something a little bigger, but it works very well for me. And for reference, I have medium density, medium texture hair. So yeah, those were 5 hairstyles for long, curly hair, and I actually think they would all look great on shorter hair or medium length hair as well. You may just have to do a couple of tweaks to make it work for your shorter hair. But yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you try any of these hairstyles. And yeah, as always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.